Guys, so we're here at Attic. It's Fun Race Thursday. So it's a team battle for BMAX. So I'll start recording kapag ang score natin ay mayroon na naka 2 points. So right now it's Team 1, 1 point, Team 2, 1 point, Team 3, 0 point. Para hindi ka na mahaba yung video. Alright, go!
4-wheel drive.
Big
Oh, papalanin mo na lang para masaya. Oh, hindi ka tumatapos yan. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Go, Blackpink! Guys! Kawal-kawal kami! Alright guys, we're back. So ang standing ngayon is 1 point for each team. Ayun, let's see. Second lap. Oy! Last lap. Alright. First lap. Second lap. Oh, nawa isa. Oy! Mapit. Last lap. Binibigyan ng orasyon ng ating auto. Go, Team 3. Hey, go. First lap. Second lap. Last lap. So guys, after nito, meron tayong 3 minutes na break. 3 minutes na time para magayos ng mga sasakyan, charge and everything. And after yan, babalik na, kaya nyo ibalik yung mga sasakyan nyo doon. So ang rule dito is pag nanalo ka ng 1 round, naka-ganyan. Pag talo ka is naka-ganyan. Then magalaban-laban sino yung mga nakataas. Okay, sorry guys. Balik tayo. First lap. Second lap. best car. So kuha na isang best car ang Team 3 at Team 2 na ilalaban nila. Since no winner yung huling run. So nag-isip sila guys, sino ang bibigay natin. So pink car ni Jet ang lalaban ng Team 3. Sila Bri yung silver. Okay. Go! First lap! Second lap. Uy! Last lap. Okay. Nice. Oh, balik tayo doon. Standing. Team 1 point. Team 2, 2 points. Team 3, 1 point. Makabal si PJ. Kasi si P-Max. Yan. Giling mo. Yan. Oh, three. First up. Oh, good. Second lap. Oops, save it. Last lap. Thank you. Nanalo pa ng isang team 2, sila na panalo. Hey, what's up? Oh, naglag ka. Second na. Last lap. Oh, dalawa ka lang nawala. Ayun. Wala pa. Second lap. Boom. Good. Last lap. Ay, pala yung pink car ko. Moving on. Second lap. Last lap. Alright. Nice one, Finger. Nice one. May contribution tayo, guys. First up, let's go. Second lap. Last lap. Steady lang, down boy, steady lang. Steady lang, oh. Steady, okay, good. Meron tayong dalawa. Okay, so ako ang lalaban. Next. Dalawa lang sa amin. Go Pingar. First lap. Second lap. Third lap. Ay, hindi umabot na finger natin. Kaya. Elsa, pero okay, good, Elsa. Okay lang naman. Sayang. Yun lang ang downside kapag lumaro pa ng lumaro is bumababa na rin syempre yung battery mo. I think isa per team. 1-on-1. Okay. Dagdag ng team 1. So it's between a battle between team 2 and team 3. What's up? Second lap. MABC. Okay, sorry na yan. Interviewin natin to.
Yan, oo.
Kape, kamusta? 5 beses nang nanalo.
Apat lang daw, apat lang.
Apat na.
Win straight.
Guys, apat na.
Di ba na pala po?
5 fun race. Wala na yung test.
Sunod-sunod.
Siya lang ang buot tayo naka-busy.
Ayaw niya pa dito. Ayaw niya pa pumunta.
Oo, ayaw niya pumunta dito dati.
Congrats.